The Keychron V1 Max Keyboard offers a sleek and compact 75% layout, making it ideal for both work and play. With its dual connectivity options, you can switch seamlessly between 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.1, ensuring a versatile and reliable typing experience. The hot-swappable feature allows you to easily customize the keyboard with different switches, catering to your personal typing preferences. Its premium PBT keycaps are designed to resist oil and fading, ensuring longevity and a consistent feel with every keystroke. The V1 Max keyboard is compatible with macOS, Windows, and Linux, offering a smooth transition with dedicated keycaps for each system. The inclusion of a gasket mount and sound-absorbing foam enhances typing comfort and reduces noise, providing a satisfying tactile experience.